Have you ever saw any railways unexpected to see this? A one and only first episode existed is this one. And there's a CN locomotive. He's the one who helps out anything he wants back in his own days. There's steam engines and rolling stock to get ready for their delivery. And there's the extinctives for any other train. And engines for going. Is this railway expected to go on the railway back in the late 90s to the 2022 series? And only one train is one and big and strong. 4014 Big Boy is always the one who's strong. He first came on the railway back in the late 1960s. And he's the one steam locomotive who's always the one who's always pulling coaches back in his own 90s. He's a CN engine named Tom. Tom always wanted to get into a funny way to trick people, like honking his horn at engines when they're asleep. And especially James, the CSX locomotive. And CN wanted to meet the engine to say hi. Hello, I'm Tom. Who are you? I am James, the CSX GP38 locomotive. And I'm a kind engine back to any other locomotive who wants to say hi. Alright, well, I have to go take my loads. See you later, James. See you later. And John, the big boy locomotive, gets too angry when Tom, the CN engine, takes long to get his coaches. Tom slowly coupled up to the train. Hurry up, said John. Hurry yourself, said Tom. But Tom didn't know the coupling was still coupled to him. Until it happened. John was moving and he was on his way. Big Boy was going around the bend with CN with him. And he didn't know that happened. Stop, said Tom. But John couldn't hear Tom. He was too busy on moving on. I will never be the same again, said Tom. And John was going too fast. He didn't know Tom was talking to him. Please stop for me. But he still didn't hear him. And they start rushing on the bridge. Just stop for me, please, said Tom. But John still didn't hear him. He was still busy going on with his coaches. And they make their stop at the first station. And they stopped at their first station. Wait, is it stopping? Oh, good thing it stopped. CN was exhausted. CN was uncoupled from the freight cars and he left. Ha ha ha, said John. Now you know what hard work means. Tom was too tired to say anything. And Tom left. He was so tired he didn't even want to talk.